Have you ever wondered how your data stays safe while being transmitted over the internet? Well, the secret lies in the magic of network encryption. Now you might be asking, what exactly is network encryption? Let's break it down. Simply put, network encryption is a method used to secure data that is being sent from one computer to another over a network, such as the internet. Imagine you're sending a secret message in a bottle across a vast ocean. Without any form of protection, anyone who intercepts the bottle can read your message, right? That's where network encryption comes in. It acts as an invisible protective shield, encoding your message into a secret language that only the intended receiver can understand. This way, even if someone intercepts your data, they won't be able to comprehend the information. So think of network encryption as a secret code that helps keep your data safe from prying eyes. Now you might be wondering, how does this secret code or network encryption work? Well, let's put it this way. Imagine you're sending a postcard to a friend across the globe. You wouldn't want anyone along the delivery route to read your personal message, right? So instead of writing in plain English, you decide to use a secret code that only you and your friend understand. That's essentially what network encryption does. When data is sent over the internet, it's transformed into a secret code or format that's unreadable to anyone without the proper decryption key. This process of transforming the data into a secret code is called encryption. So how does this magic happen? It all starts with the data you want to send, often referred to as plain text. This plain text is fed into an encryption algorithm, which is like a complex recipe for creating a secret code. This algorithm uses a unique encryption key, which you can think of as the special ingredient in our recipe. Then, through a series of mathematical operations, the plaintext is scrambled and transformed into an unreadable format called ciphertext. Now, the ciphertext on its own is just a jumble of random characters. It's like our secret code on the postcard. Without the key to decode it, it's meaningless. This is where the decryption key comes into play. When the ciphertext reaches its intended destination, it's fed into a decryption algorithm, which uses the decryption key to reverse the encryption process. It's like your friend using the secret code to read your postcard. The ciphertext is transformed back into the plain text, revealing the original data. But here's the catch. The encryption and decryption keys must be kept secret. If they fall into the wrong hands, the entire process is compromised. It's like if someone else discovers your secret code, they can read your postcard. In essence, network encryption is a two-step dance encryption on one end and decryption on the other. It's a fascinating process that keeps our data safe and secure as it travels through the vast expanse of the internet. Encryption sounds cool, but why exactly is it so crucial? Well, let's dive into that. Network encryption is like the secret service of the internet world. It's the invisible shield that guards your sensitive data on its journey through the vast, complex cyberspace. Imagine sending your credit card information over a network without encryption. You might as well be broadcasting your card number on live television. Encryption scrambles this data into an unreadable format, protecting it from prying eyes. Beyond just confidentiality, network encryption also ensures integrity. In simpler terms, it makes sure your data isn't tampered with during transit. This is like sending a sealed envelope instead of a postcard, ensuring that no one can change your message before it reaches its destination. In a world where data is the new gold, network encryption is the armored truck that keeps this precious resource safe. So, network encryption not only keeps your data confidential, but it also ensures that it reaches its destination unaltered. Before we wrap up, here are some key points to remember about network encryption. It's essentially like a secret code for data transmission. When data is sent over a network, it gets transformed into a coded message, a process we call encryption. Only the intended recipient, armed with the right decryption key, can convert this coded message back into its original form. Notably, network encryption plays a crucial role in maintaining data security and integrity. It's like a digital fortress, protecting your sensitive information from prying eyes. Be it your bank details, personal emails, or a new episode of your favorite podcast, encryption ensures they reach the right destination without being intercepted or tampered with. Remember, Encryption isn't just about confidentiality. It's also about authenticity and integrity. It verifies the sender and receiver and checks that the data hasn't been altered during transmission. With network encryption, you can rest assured that your data is safe and secure during transmission over the internet.